Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel Twitter Things. As you all know, we have started lead code video series where we will be going to solve lead code problems. So 50 SQL problems we are going to solve. Each and every problem is an important concept only. So this will help you to solve your problem solving skills and also to crack any kind of SQL interviews. So we have already covered 24 videos till now and those problems we have already solved. So now we are going to solve 25th problem, that is product sale analysis 3, which is a medium type of problem we are going to solve now. So in the last problem we have seen like getting you uh, in a duration of 30 days how we used to use date sub and everything we have seen. So the problem number is 1070, that is product sales analysis 3. So let's see the schema first and then understand the problem statement and then we'll break down the query how we can solve that. So sales tables is there, sales ID and product ID and year and quantity and price is there. Some sales related data table is there. Here, sale ID and year all are intertypes. Sale ID and year is a combination of primary keys, which will be having your unique columns. So, sale, which sale ID and that year, the combination, and then product ID is a foreign key reference to the product table. So, we have one more table called as a product and sales and product ID will be having foreign key as a product table for product ID and product name is in the product table, which is an int type, and varchar type is the name. So next, what they are telling is each table of this table shows the sales of that product of the particular ID in certain year with the some quantity and some price. So price is per unit. So how many quantities will be multiplied with the price of that? Okay. So next, product ID in the product table is a primary key here, which is a foreign key from that table, which is the unique value of this table, and each row of this table indicates the product name of the each product. Okay. Now what they're asking is they're asking us to write a solution to select the product ID, year, and quantity and price for the first year of every product. So see, every product sold in some years, but the first year they want. So that particular product, in which year, the first year which they have sold, that kind of product ID, quantity, and price, and the details of the first order of the product they want. The result can be of any order they want. So the table is like this, product table they have given, the output is like this. Just see this example so that we'll understand better. So see, sales 1 is there, product ID is 100, sales 2 is there, product ID is 100, and sales 7 ID is there 200. If you see the product of that year is 2008 and product next year is 2009, and the other product is 2011. If you see the 100 product ID, which is 2008, so this is the first sale of that. So we have to get the details of this 100, 2008, and 10 and 500. They want they also want the um, what are the things they have to include: a product ID and year and quantity and price. So all of these are in the sales table only. So those things we want, and product name they didn't want. And then if you see the seventh order, there is only one order on that particular year, so we need that also. So we are not taking consideration into this products table. We are just dealing with the sales table only. They just to confuse you, they have given this product table about product name. If they ask us to print a product name also, then we'll use that that table also by joining and any kind of thing. Okay. So now let's see how we can solve this by using the query. So you can solve it in a different manners. I'll give the possible ways which I know. You can also explore and get what are the different possible ways likewise. Okay. And so now we have a simple select. So what we have to select, the things they have given, we have to select. That is, they're asking us here product ID, year, and quantity and price. These things they want. Let me have it here. So let's see the product ID, but the year they want is first year, aliasing name for that year, and quantity price is same. So quality and then price from what table, just write from. We need that everything from the sales table. So on what condition, we have to have condition like that year should fall under as a first year, right? So which for that case I'm just writing the inner query for that. So or that thing also here product id is repetition, so we have to use group by, right? So group by product id, so I'm just having the product id here, and then with year also we want, so year. Let me just select here some part like product id, and first thing we how we have done in the previous problem also, minimum of year, by that we get first thing. So we can have alias in name also, like anything is fine because we are taking that year in first year. So from which table? From sales table, right? From sales table. And we have to group by here, that is by product id we have to group by. So let me just have here is a group the in caps. So group with product ID. So everything is fine, right? So we have taken the minimum year, and then so minimum of year as first year from sales, and grouping with product ID. From this only we have to take first orders. We are printing the product ID and first name, and I'm just running this problem and see how it works. The same. Oh, sorry. Some select what we have did here, sales table, right? Sales table, what we have, product id comma year as first year comma quantity, and so and this I'm just pasted there, right? So there, this I'm just running this part now. Sorry, what? So yeah, brackets. So why I have given bracket here, from where in is there. So yeah, correct only. From stable product id is there, minimum of year as, okay. Yes, okay, what is the error then? So okay, in select of, okay, minimum of year only, right? Why? Let me run this here. Okay, sorry, some typo error. Let me just run this part. Product, where I have product kind of thing, wherever product I have just paste this product id then. Yeah, sorry, here product ID is there, underscore is missing here. Yeah, just me run this. The same thing which we are doing in inner query, you can use the same with the join also. Let me know how we can solve this problem in the comment section. So catch you in the next video. Until then, see you. Bye bye. Keep sharing and keep learning. Watching our videos, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Bye.